Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will make this beautiful shawl. It's so simple pattern. I use I think it looks so good. This is the front side, this is the back side. So fast crocheting, don't forget any time for crochet that. I make that size nearly 2 hours, maybe 2.5, so you can get bigger more easily. I use this yarn, that papaya cake. This is 100% of acrylic, 150 grams. I think the normal size shawl, it needs to be 300 grams. It's so big, it's enough I think, and it's 540 meters. They recommend us using 4mm hooks, and I use 4mm for this shawl. This is not the same color, but this color combination I like it too so much. This shawl is looking so beautiful, and if you make it if you make this shawl, this colorful yarn, the color translation is so beautiful from these shells. I hope you like it too much like me. I give all the details in the video. You can increase the rows easily. If you have any questions, please leave me comments. Also, don't forget subscribe to my channel. If you're ready, your yarns and hooks is ready, we will start to make our beautiful simple shawl. For our shawl, we will start chain 5. Make a slip knot first, yarn over, get it in, then make chain 1 and make a slip knot. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn and insert the first one and grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Chain 4, 2, 3, 4. This is our first triple. Okay. Yarn over twice, insert that hole, grab the yarn and pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 3 times. Okay. First, second, and make 2 more. Yarn over twice and 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over twice, 1, 2, 3. We have 4 triple. Chain 2, yarn over twice and make 4 triple more. We will hide this yarn with that crochet. 1, 2, 3. First triple, second, third, and fourth. Chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and turn your work, yarn over and insert the same stitch, the first stitch, and make a double crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Chain 3, yarn over, insert the chain 2 space and make a double crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 3, yarn over, insert the first triple stop here, make a double crochet, chain 3, yarn over and make a 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. So you can see we have 4 parts here. Then chain 4, 1 2 3 4, and turn your work, yarn over twice, this is the first triple, and make 3 more triples in this chain 3 space. 2 3 and 4, chain 2, yarn over twice, and make 4 triple in the same space. 1 2, pull through 3 times. Okay, 3 and 4. Insert that chain 3 space, grab the yarn and make a single crochet. Chain 3, make a slip stitch, next space, yarn over twice and make 4 triple that chain 3 space. 1 2 3 4, chain 2, yarn over twice, and make 4 more triple in the same space. Three and 4. We increase that shell to the 2. Now again chain 7, 3 4 5 6 and 7. Turn your work, yarn over and make a double crochet in the same stitch. I will insert my hook bottom of this chain 7 and make a double crochet. Chain 3, yarn over and make a double crochet in the chain 2 space. Chain 3, yarn over and make a double crochet this chain 3 space. Chain 2, yarn over and make 1 more double crochet in the same space. Again chain 3, yarn over and make a double crochet, chain 2 space, chain 3, yarn over, insert the first triples top and make a double crochet, chain 3 and make 1 more double crochet here. Chain 3, yarn over and make a double crochet in the same space. Chain 3, yarn over, make a double crochet in the chain 2 space. Chain 3 and make a double crochet in the first triple top. Then chain 3 and make a double crochet in the same stitch. So we will increase the shell space 3. Here is the first one, second one and the third one. So we will make 1 2 3 4 chain and turn, yarn over twice and make 3 more triple. 2 3 and 4, chain 2, yarn over twice and make 4 triple more in the same space. 2 3 insert here and make a single crochet, chain 3, insert the next space and make one more single crochet, yarn over twice and make 4 triple here, yarn twice, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, yarn over twice and make 4 more triple, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will make this space a single crochet, chain 3, make another single crochet, next space, yarn over twice and make one more shell, 4 triple we will make, 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 2, yarn over twice and make 4 more triple, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We increase it to the 3. I will show 2 rows more and you can increase that which size you want easily. Okay, chain 7, 4, 5, 6 and 7, turn your work, yarn over, insert the same stitch and make a double crochet, chain 3, yarn over and make a double crochet, chain 3, yarn over, here we have chain 3 space, insert here and make a double crochet, chain 3, yarn over and make a one more double crochet in here and make a new V for the new shell, chain 3, yarn over and insert the chain 2 space and make a double crochet, chain 3, yarn over and here another chain 3 space, make a double crochet, chain 3, yarn over and make one more double crochet here and make a one new V for the new shell, chain 3, yarn over, insert the chain 2 space and make a double crochet, chain 3, yarn over, insert the first triple stop, make a double crochet, chain 3, yarn over and insert the same stitch and make one more double crochet. So this row we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 shells. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you remember this row, repeat that row again and chain 4, turn your work, yarn over twice and make 3 more triple. First is this chain 4, this is second, third and fourth, chain 2, yarn over twice and make 4 more triple, 2, 3 and 4. Then this big space we will make a single crochet, chain 3 and make another space a single crochet again. This chain 3 is for the new V space. Okay, yarn over twice and make here a shell, 4 triple, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2 and make 4 more triple, yarn over twice and make 1, 2, 3 and 4, 3 and 4, make a single crochet, chain 3, make another single crochet, next space, yarn over twice and make new V, 1, second triple, third triple and fourth triple, chain 2, yarn over twice and make 4 triple, again in the same space, 3 and 4. Now here we will make a single crochet, chain 3, make 1 more single crochet, yarn over twice and make a new V, make a new shell, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This row repeat again, chain 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn your work, yarn over, insert the same stitch and make a double crochet, chain 3, yarn over, make a double crochet, this chain 2 space, chain 3, here chain 3 space, you see that, insert here and make a double crochet, we will make a new V here, chain 2, 3, yarn over and make a new, again a new double crochet, so you make a V, chain 3, yarn over, make a double crochet in the chain 2 space, chain 3, insert the chain 3 space and make a 3 chain and make a 1 more double crochet here and make a new V, chain 3, yarn over and make a double crochet in the chain 2 space, chain 3, yarn over and make a new V here, double crochet, chain 3 and make 1 more double crochet, chain 3, yarn over, make a double crochet, chain 3 and here we will make a new V, insert the first space, double crochet, chain 3 and make 1 more double crochet. So we will see that next row you will make a new first shell here, second, third, fourth and the fifth. You can increase your shawl easily. I will finish mine and turn to you. I get bigger my shawl. I like it very much. I hope you like it too. I will keep making like that, increase that side. I think it's so simple. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave me comments. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook and on Pinterest. Also the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Don't forget subscribe to my channel. I hope you to see you again in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.